Hi! Welcome again in our another online tutorial. And of course, isa to sa mga ni-request nyo sa akin, yung paggawa ng homemade ice cream in a very simplest way. So, gagawa tayo since nasa Pilipinas tayo. Syempre, marami tayong mga buko. At dahil marami tayong buko, gagawa tayo ng Buko Pandan Ice Cream. Okay? So, napaka-simple, napakadaling gawin. So, for the ingredients, here are the following. Okay, so here are the ingredients for our Buko Pandan Ice Cream. So, this is, of course, we have this buko fresh na shredded. And this is 500 grams of buko fresh na shredded. Yan, dapat na-drain natin siyang mabuti. Kung baga, ni-strain natin, na-drain natin siya na mabuti. And then, we have also here our condensed milk. And this is 780 grams of condensed milk. Dapat cold. So, ni-refrigerate namin to for 2 days. And then, we also have our whipped cream. All-purpose cream. And I use Nestle all-purpose cream para po mas, kaya nag-thicken siya and refrigerated for 2 days also. And we have here our gulaman. So, yung gulaman naman, meron siyang, yung isang pack niya, meron siyang instruction how you cook it, kung ilang liters, at saka kung gano'n siya katagal, no? So, nandun yun, nag-base na kami sa instructions. And then, we just cut it into yan. We just cut it into cubes na maliliit. And we have here our Buko Pandan flavorade. So any Buko Pandan flavorade. If you don't have the Bakersfield flavorade, you can use any flavorade that you want. Kung wala naman siyang color, you may add food color. Okay, so here, paano yung ating instruction? Here are all. So let's start. Okay, now, so kailangan natin ng stand mixer para sa pag-beat ng ating whipped cream. And then, we have here, ayan. So, this is our whipped cream. Alisin ko muna to. Ayan. So, dapat okay, yan. And then, oops. Okay. Then, our condensed milk. Alright. And then, yan, lagyan natin yung ating Browies. Okay. And then, we're going to beat this for mga 8 to 10 minutes at medium speed. Okay, so less than 1 minute tayo. Now, ilalagay ko na yung ating flavorade. Alright. Yan, lalahat ko na siya. This is our ice cream. Now, pagpapalit lang ako ng paddle. pwede mo nyo na itong gawin manually. Add ko lang yung ating buko. So, dapat ha, importante yung buko is na-drain para wala siyang excess na water. Then, slow speed lang. Pa-fold lang natin yung ating buko. Okay. Ay, sorry. Okay. Yan. Salin natin in a bigger bowl. Para hindi tayo mahirapang mag-mix. Kasi mi-mix pa natin yung ating gelatin or gulaman. Okay. Kasi ito, yan. So, dapat ito din-drain nyo din. Okay. And then ito, yan. I-mix lang din natin siya. Tapos you may add flavorade if you want. You can use actually condensed na na pandan flavor din. But it's better na you add flavorade na lang kung gusto nyo. Para according sa nyo, sa panlasa nyo. Sarap. Okay, now gamit tayo ng tin can para sa ating Buko Pandan Ice Cream. And then, kailangan i-refrigerate natin, or i-freezer. Not refrigerate, but i-freezer natin to overnight. Yan. So, this is our ice cream. Buko Pandan Ice Cream. Then, yung ating cover. And then, this is ready to freezer overnight. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow.
Let's see what's inside.
Okay.
Oh.
So, ayan. It's more... Okay, wait. Okay, so it's morning now. And here's our freezer ice cream.
Oh, I want it to be chocolate.
Okay, but later, baby. But for now, ito muna ang ating Buko
First,
Pandan.
that one?
Yes, first this one.
And then we can get the chocolate.
Yes. So we're gonna taste this first. Mommy, we're gonna taste this first.
I'm not going to taste it.
Why?
Because only chocolate.
Just a little.
No. I don't like it.
But I made this for you.
That's not mine.
So, tikman muna natin. Okay, so tikman natin yung ating Buko Pandan. Ang sarap po. Kasi tamang-tama lang yung tamis. Yan. So, sana po nagustuhan niyo po yung ating Buko Pandan Ice Cream. And sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, just simply subscribe and click the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo ng ating mga bagong tutorial. Okay, see you guys again. Bye-bye!